G'day again, Bert from Excellent Coatings. Welcome to the Zinsser Bunch. If you have any rusted metal surfaces that you want to paint, then no probs, we got you sorted with Zinsser's Bulls Eye 123 undercoat. Let's get going. The reason this Bulls Eye 123 will be great for this project is it's highly rust inhibitive, stopping that oxidization from coming back through. And because it's water-based, it's recoatable within an hour, helping you get on with the project faster. It also comes in a white and a grey base, which helps you get much closer to your end result colour. And it's just all around a great product to use inside and outside. Now before we get started, make sure you read the safety instructions at the back and wear any relevant PPE. You've got to keep yourself safe when doing these things. Don't forget to wear a mask and safety glasses when doing this type of work. You don't want anything to hit you in the eye and you don't want to be breathing in anything dirty and harmful for you. Now step one is to get rid of all the loose debris. An easy way to do that is with 60 grit sandpaper. I'm going to do it with a machine here, but you can definitely do it by hand. It just might take a little bit longer. Let's do it. Make sure you give the bullseye a really good mix through, getting all the stuff from the bottom right to the top. Now make sure the area is totally dust free and dry when you start applying the paint. Now, hot tip, when you're doing these tricky edges, you're going to want to use the tips of the brush only. This is called cutting in, and you don't want a fully loaded brush either. You should come away with a nicely cut edge, like that. Now that we've got a full coat on it, we'll give it 1 hour to dry and we can start putting the top coats on. Now here we are after an hour and it's fully dried. And it's done an amazing job of hiding that rust. Check this out. And we're all ready to get the top coats on. Now that Bulls Eye 123 has done a great job of stopping that rust from popping through. It definitely won't pop through our top coats either. Let's start getting some of that on. Here we are with this finished product. The Bulls Eye 123 has stopped any of the rust coming through and it's looking fantastic. With Zinsser, no probs.